Hi guys, Courtney from Bronze Brazilian at Cannon Hill. Today I will be showing you how you can achieve and get last elongating lips. You can also use this method to create a bigger, plumper, fuller lip. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom you guys in. Alrighty, nice and close. Alrighty, so what you're going to do is you're just going to start off with a really good lip liner, and what you're going to do is just pretty much outline your normal lip. If you want them a little bit thicker, you're going to just ever so slightly just fill in the top of your cupid's bow. That's going to give it that fuller, rounder look. Kylie Jenner has quite a round cupid's bow, which gives it that bigger, thicker looking lip, which is nice. Alrighty, and then once you fill them in, once you've done your outlining, then you're going to fill it in with your pencil. That will make the lipstick last longer to that. It's just going to adhere a lot nicer. Alrighty, so let's jump into it. Alrighty. So I have their outline done, so now I'm just going to fill them in. Right, so now that they have been filled in, they look bigger already. Alrighty, so now you're just going to fill in with your lipstick just like you would normally, so just with anything. I'm just going to use a liquid lipstick today. Liquid lipsticks also last a bit longer as well throughout the day, so you don't really need to reapply, but it works with any colour, any lipstick, any type of lipstick as well. It just lasts a little bit longer, which is good. Alrighty, so just fill in. Alrighty. Zoom you guys back out. Alrighty, so there you have the filled in lip. So you'll find that this will last pretty much the whole day. It's pretty easy, doesn't take too long, and it's effective. So like I said, it works on any colour, any type of lipstick, so you can use like your real creams or anything like that. So it does last longer. If you are using a cream though, what I find what really helps is when you put a tissue over it and you get like a bit of baby powder or any of your face powder and just blot it over it, that'll help it last longer as well. Alrighty, well there are my tips and tricks for making lipstick last longer, as well as making them look plumper and thicker. So yeah, if you like to stay tuned and keep watching for more tips and hints and all those kind of things for different types of videos, just keep watching. If you have any ones that you would like for me to do, always you can put them down or just send us a little message, which will be helpful. Alrighty, once again, I'm Courtney from Bronze Brazilian at Cannon Hill. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!